Welcome. Today's topic is going to be about VA jumbo loans. Home buyers that have questions can get answers and reach out to us 7 days a week by visiting vamortgagehub.com. We're going to talk a little bit about the jumbo loan advantages. First and foremost, a lot of eligible veterans are not even aware that the VA offers programs for more expensive, higher balance homes and loan amounts. But there are options up to $1.5 million. The smaller down payments of the VA jumbo loans are really a big advantage when compared to a standard jumbo loan. Many of these standard jumbo loan programs today require 10% or 15 or even 20% of a down payment. The big advantage, though, again, with the VA jumbo loan is that it is not 100% financing like the standard conforming VA loan limits. It will require a small down payment, which we'll look at those calculations in a slide coming up. But a lot of times the down payment that is required is greatly reduced when compared to standard jumbo loans. In addition to that, the VA jumbo program is a lot less restrictive as far as the underwriting requirements. Not only do standard jumbo loans often require a larger down payment, but they also have a lot tighter underwriting requirements in regards to credit scores, savings and payment reserves that are required for those programs. The VA loan is less restrictive in those regards. Of course, there is no monthly mortgage insurance, just like a standard VA loan. That's one of the big draws with the jumbo program as well, is that there is no monthly mortgage insurance, or more commonly known as PMI. The home seller can pay all the VA allowable closing costs for the home buyer, and the program, of course, has secured 15 or 30-year fixed rates and adjustable rates terms with no prepayment penalty. Just like any other government mortgage. There is no early payoff penalty with this program. We're going to look at the down payment calculations. Now, in this example, this is based on a standard non-high cost county is what we'll call it. Most of the counties throughout the U.S., the standard basic VA loan limit is going to be $424,100, the same as the conforming standard conforming loan limit as well. Now, in this example, we're looking at a veteran that has a home that with a purchase price of $600,000. The basic VA loan limit for the county is $424,100. Now, basically, with the VA jumbo loan, is any amount that's exceeding the base loan limit caps, the veteran will have to put down 25% of that amount that exceeds. So in this case, the veteran's exceeding the basic loan limit by $175,900. So he or she will need to put down 25% of $175,900. which equals $43,975 or 7.3% down payment in this example. Now, one thing important is that that base $424,100 loan amount, that applies to most of the counties in the U.S., as I'd mentioned. However, there are many high-cost counties that are located throughout mainly California, South Florida, New England, Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Hampshire, places like that, D.C. There are a lot of high-cost counties. In the base loan limit in those high-cost areas is $636,150. Okay, so definitely look at in the video description and the comments, and we'll post the link that has more down payment examples as far as helping you calculate how much you would need to put down based on your purchased your property location and your purchase price. But basically, yes, it's 25% of the amount that exceeds your county's basic conforming/VA loan limits. There are some restrictions with the VA loan, jumbo loan, just like any other program. The borrowers in this program want to ensure that they have a credit score greater than a 620. Basic VA loans, the lower loan amounts, they do allow credit scores that are generally lower. However, most lenders and banks are going to have a little bit tighter requirements when it comes to credit score and any past credit financial hardships as well. Generally a 620 credit score is the minimum. Some lenders and banks may have actually a 640 score to be approved for the program. Stable 2-year job history with income that can be fully documented. Of course, that's just the same as any other VA loan. This does not apply to veterans that are on disability. Certificate of eligibility. Applicants will want to make sure that they have a copy of their certificate of eligibility before they apply. If they do not have this, please contact us. We can certainly assist you with obtaining your certificate of eligibility, or COE as it's more commonly known. Applying for a VA jumbo loan, first and foremost, you're going to want to discuss the loan options for with your mortgage specialist and see what jumbo loan best fits you. Okay, again, there are standard jumbo loans out there that have maybe as low as a 10% down payment, and those could be a good option depending on your loan amount and your credit profile, most importantly. And then maybe your savings. So, specialists will look at really both options. Assuming you're eligible for a VA jumbo loan, they're going to look at that option first, and then also see if there's any options, just regular standard jumbo loan options that may be also good options to take a look at. VA eligibility and loan approval requirements, of course, they'll review all those things regarding the eligibility and your VA entitlement. Okay, that is very important. So that'll be something that's reviewed as well. Veterans that have already used their VA benefits to purchase a home, they can certainly use it a second time as well. But the important thing is to make sure that they have sold and closed on the property that they had their original VA mortgage on. And then from there, it's just starting a loan application, which generally takes 20 minutes to just go through that. It's very simple. Questions about the program, again, visit the website. There's a lot of helpful information, and we will post some links in the comment section that show a couple more examples and more details on the jumbo loan program, but we are here to help 7 days a week. VAMortgageHub.com. Thank you.